Hi, great soul. I wish you good health and happiness. How are you doing today? It is a beautiful day from the city of Kuwait. Yeah. So this video was taken on my way to Friday market. Actually, we're heading there to make some purchases for household items. I moved into a new apartment and I needed to change some stuff like wardrobes and stuff like that. Friday market, anyone that is in Kuwait know what it's all about. It's a very large one. So luckily for me, I saw this open market, like open market with fruits. This is the first time I'm seeing such in Kuwait. It's always been in the mall that we shop in big hypers, but seeing this in the open space was something so beautiful for me, and I could relate to it coming from Africa. Yeah, I could relate to it, and I saw this fruit. This is an almond mango, and I had to make some purchase. When they told me the price, I was like, oh my god, this is expensive. But hey, trust me, that is what we buy here because these things don't grow in Kuwait. If you've watched my videos before now, I have mentioned that all these things are being imported, so it's kind of expensive. Yes, they are. We can't compare the price to what we buy from Nigeria, where I'm from, Norway. I can't buy mango for that amount of money. But hey, Nigeria right now at this point is very expensive. If you've not traveled to Nigeria recent time, you can't really tell. It's like Kuwait prices even getting better. I don't know. May God save that country. So in this video, towards the ending, I'm going to share an alarming event that took place. My enemy almost lost her son. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It was a shocking trauma for me. And you know what? I was heavy in this video. Totally heavy, like almost due for delivery. And when it happened, oh my god, I'm going to share the story. So just watch the end. Okay, so here I was asking for prices from different shops, but it's just like they had a meeting. Everything is the same price, just like a fixed price. And I've noticed that thing in Kuwait, unlike in Nigeria, where or in Africa and other places where you price something from this shop, you go to another shop, you can get it cheaper. But here, just like you hear 3 kb, it's all over the whole place. It's the same price. So that's why you can see 5 people selling the same product in the same place, and they are selling. Nothing like competition or dragging customers, come to my shop, don't buy from that person, mine is better. Nothing like that. Ever since I've been in this Kuwait, I've not had such. I've not seen it. Walking into a shop, somebody is selling this phone, the person selling. You can't see like how we have it in Nigeria, where you see boys that are hustling, they are dragging you or trying to convince you that the other person's shop doesn't have a good one. But men see varieties of fruits, and these are fresh. Oh my god. And they're not like dragging you, don't buy from that. Nothing like that. Back when you have people that are diabolic just to get customers, but these people are their shops, minding their business. You just go to them. Really, you can see I'm just like how many steps away from each other, and some are just even close. Look at it. Different people are selling all of this, and no one is fighting. The price is the same. Okay, and if someone can move for maybe half fleece, they will move for you just 250 fees, but they are all selling, and you can see that. So it's something that I recommend. I give them kudos for that. I'm really impressed with that. Okay, there's no fighting, there's no quarreling. Everybody's just minding their shops, and they are selling. They are selling so well. So yeah, we saw on our way. Okay, we left from the shop, heading now to the market, and I and my wonderful children, my boys. Then I had just my boys with me, carrying baby girl in my tummy. So we saw these birds. You're like asking mommy, where are these birds going to? And my son was like, they're going to their house. You can imagine the shock. I had to keep quiet. So what do I know? Alright, so this is in the shop. This is Friday market. You can see it's a very big market. I mean big. They have several gates to this shop. They have several gates to this market, not a shop. I'm sorry to call it a shop. They have several gates, like several gates. So if a child is missing in this place, you can see him. My husband is holding him. He's the most active of my children. Oh my goodness. This king. Oh, I just had, I don't know what I'll call it, like, so I came actually to buy wallpaper. I came to buy wardrobe for the boys. In this market you have where they have what you call OK. Back in Nigeria, what you call OK, fairly used stuffs. They have fairly used clothes, fairly used beds, fairly used items, even bicycles. They have them, fairly used wardrobes. Yeah, they have a lot of them. Okay, but here also you've got brand new ones. From this entrance we came through the back. Actually, in the front you have where we have a Lulu Hyper. You also have all of those. You can get bread and all of that. So here they have their beds. Okay, they have rugs. I've not seen fairly used rugs. Okay, they are all brand new. So we came for the brand new. When we go to the mall that close to us to buy them, you could be getting, like, when I bought a rug in the mall, that was initial time before I ever came to Friday Market. I was paying like 100 and something KD, but when I discovered this place, you be getting like 80 KD, 70 KD rug that you need. The 20 KD saving is worth it, guys. It's really worth it. Yeah. So bought wallpaper for the boys' room. My boys really needed wallpaper, and not just wallpaper, anyhow wallpaper. You will see the type I got that wouldn't be, dangerous for them to hit their head on the wall and all stuff like that. So yeah, this is it. This type of wallpaper. This place is section for wallpaper. I got a type that is so nice. It's soft. When you put it in the room, even if they are jumping, it's foam. Okay, so it's for safety. That was why we actually came here. I saw it in the mall close to us, but they didn't have enough, and someone referred me to come to Friday Market that I'm going to get. Look at it there. The same set you want, you're going to get them. This wallpaper is beautiful, but unfortunately now they run out of it. I don't know why. Maybe people are not buying, or because you don't have much colors, maybe, or designs. People are going for the ones that are. So this is it. I bought so many of them to cover their room. Okay, so I got that. Yeah. Then we went for other stuff that we came for. I want to appreciate everyone who is here watching this video. Thank you so much. If you're my channel subscriber, I really appreciate you. And if this is your first time of coming across my videos, my name is Loveline, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Kuwait. You're highly welcome. I go by the name P-Love. Okay, so feel at home, subscribe, turn the notification bell on so that you can get notified when I go live. Okay, and please see where to share the video. Yeah, I bought one of this. It helps me in my baking, though every house in Kuwait has this in their kitchen, but I needed one that I know it is mine. Okay, even if I'm moving out of my house, I carry it to a new place. It's just mine. I use it for my baking, basically for baking. Underneath it is my baking stuffs. Above it is where I put my stuffs. Okay, no, I wasn't buying baby bed. We already have a baby cot bought from IKEA, but we needed to get rug. Yeah, that's what we came here for. And this is the section for that. You have beds and all of that you need. Mattresses. I've not bought mattress in this place before. Well, I would say unfortunately we already bought all of these things from IKEA even before I discovered Friday Market. So we bought duvet. Yeah, my husband bought duvets before I came to here, but here you have varieties. Okay, compared to when you go to malls, but here the children were able to choose their cartoon. They love so much their characters. Paw Patrol, Spider-Man, and all of that. We're able to get them here, but in the shop we've got several times they don't have all those cartoon characters. They run out of it. So here is the rug section. Okay, we also came to choose the rug that we want. Basically, we're just taking care of the boys' room in this video. Basically, we came to buy stuff for their room. Okay, their rug, their bed, duvet, and all of that, and the wallpaper, like I said earlier. So it's basically things for the boys' room that we came to take care of. Okay, so I'm going to allow us to enjoy the video, but before then, a tragic thing happened to me. Like, I don't wish for that for my enemy. Not as a mom, not as a father, not as a sibling. To lose your younger one, to lose any of your child is a terrible act. So in this section, I think I'm just taking a walk across this place because I can't remember buying anything here. No. These bags are new, but I've not bought a bag like this, new bag here in this place before. No, I have not. I don't know. Maybe I'll consider that, but I feel they may not last. Okay, but they have beautiful bags here. All right, so I'm just making a vlog, videoing everything that can be videoed, avoiding any human being's face that I can avoid. Okay, so I think it was in this section that all of a sudden they're looking for my son. So listen to the story. God bless you.
On my way back from the market, I'm so sorry I could not cover everything. The funny thing was that my son got missing while in the market. Like, seriously guys, I went crazy. I literally went crazy. Like, the market is so big, it's huge, so because I went with them, I couldn't get help to drop them with anybody, so I had to take them along with me. We are going for shopping for rug and wallpaper for the house, so that's why I had to take them with me. Since it's just the two items that I came to buy, well, I would have taken us around the whole place to show us how the market is. So feed your eyes in the city of Kuwait, and we're going home. But lo and behold, after paying for the wallpaper, my husband saw another place. We could get another better wallpaper to add additional, and I went to meet him. Guys, I looked back, one of my boys wasn't there again. I asked the bigger one, where's your brother? He pointed at the gate side. Hey, see the Nigerian mama in me. I almost put my wig off, guys. I had to start praying, Lord, show me mercy. Jesus, show me mercy. Where will I look? I had to go to the gate, talk to the gate, the security guy that was there. They said, okay, but what can they do? The gate, the market has several gates, not just one, not just two, not three. It has several gates. Basically, where we are, there's two gates there. So which of the I ran again into where they're selling the section where they sell clothes to just check. I don't know, but my spirit, I was just praying. I had a little baby crying. I just said, God, let the voice of this child cry lead me to where my son is. Though it's not my son's voice, I know that, but I just wanted a clue, something to lead me, you know, to wherever he was. I just kept praying, but trust me guys, it wasn't funny. And as God will have it, I kept walking. I saw him from afar. Market is noisy, so I cannot shout. I was doing signs to people. One man just understood what I was doing. He was about to catch my son from afar where I was, but my son didn't even allow him to touch him. But the long story short, I saw my child, even though he was crying. So that was what happened. I didn't even have the heart to do any more recording again. So that's just it. We are on our way going home. I bought the rug and I bought my wallpaper. These are just the two items I went for, and I got them. So that is called Friday Market. Okay, Friday Market, you have varieties of things. You have bags, you have everything you are looking for. You know, in Nigeria, we have what they call a OK. So that place you can actually get OK, like OK bags, dresses, all those stuffs. Well, it's not what I go there for. So they have furnitures, yeah, bed, you can get them there. Okay, brand new. Like went for rug, brand new rugs. That's what they sell there. All right, but you get them at a better price in that place. Yeah, we have close to our area, like a rug I can buy for like 100 KD in Friday Market. Outside of Friday Market, I can be getting like close to 200 KD, 250 KD, like that. Basically, this I was going to go and buy. Someone has given me a bit price on it. The man came to my house, measured it, and he gave me for 210 KD. That's what he's going to do it for me for 210 KD. Man, the price was much. So my husband came back, did the measurement by himself. So we went today to go and buy them. The only thing we may do is to get somebody to come and fix them, or we can as well go ahead and fix it ourselves with time. Just take our time and fix it. But that's just it, yeah. You go there, you buy your things yourself. You can get people to fix it and it's better. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Leave in the comment section. Have you ever experienced a missing child before, as a mom, as a dad? or as an auntie, an uncle? How did you feel? How was the experience? It wasn't funny, I tell you, but all thanks to God. Subscribe, please. See my next video. God bless you. Ciao.